Hi all, welcome to my channel. Join me as I take you on a journey through one of Norway's most scenic fjord ferries. Today we are going on the Lysefjord Cruise in Norway. I want to share top 5 tips for a pleasant ferry experience. The Lysafjord Cruise starts at Stavanger in Norway and travels through the fjord waterways before reaching Lysafjord. On the way, you will get a chance to experience the beautiful surroundings, the gushing waterfalls, and see Pulpit Rock, which is a famous rock formation. Please like and subscribe. Lysefjord means light fjord. Each fjord has a really unique story behind it, and in this case, it is from the light colored granite rocks. A fjord is a long, deep, narrow body of water that reaches far inland. In Norway, you can find more than 1,000 fjords in the country. Now let's get to the top 5 tips. Always buy your tickets at the tourist center. The tourist center is located 100 meters from the ferry departure location. The reason for this is ferries can be cancelled for different reasons and no one likes an unscheduled cancellation. Buy your tickets at least 2 hours before departure and spend some time exploring the souvenir shops and Gamle area which is adjacent to the pier. A quick walk around Gamle brings you back to the ferry departure area. Ferries will depart on time. Arrive at least 30 minutes before departure. Seating is available, but the best seat at the window locations are always occupied first. You can observe the huge line around 20 minutes before departure. The seats are quite comfortable with large windows. There is plenty of clean toilet facilities and food to eat on the ferries. Expect to pay around 4 euros for coffee and around 6 to 8 euros for a sandwich. Vegetarian and vegan options are available, but choices are usually limited on ferries. Even in the summer, the deck can be quite chilly, so always keep jackets and umbrellas with you.
Good life because of all the food and attention they get from visiting boats.
Wir legen jetzt einen kurzen Halt ein, um einige sehr gute Freunde der Schiffsbesatzung zu besuchen. Die Ziegen. Sie sind den Sommer über auf der Weide und genießen das gute Leben mit saftigem Gras und viel Aufmerksamkeit, die sie bekommen, wenn die Schiffe anhalten.
Sit on the left side of the ferry on the onward journey. All attractions are located in the left side and you get the best views from the side. There are 4 major attractions. Lysafjord Bridge.
Ausgezeichnet. Weil man beim Bau keine Kosten und Mühe gescheut hatte, um während des Baus Beschädigungen der umgegebenen Landschaft zu vermeiden. Wie Sie sehen können, muss dies eine ziemliche Herausforderung gewesen sein.
Fantahalla. preikestolen or Pulpit rock.
About 80 by 80 feet and completely flat. It juts straight out from the mountainside some 30 meters or nearly 100 feet. It is 604 meters, almost 2,000 feet above us. Every year, roughly 300,000 people hike to the top of Preikestolen to enjoy what some travel experts have called the world's best viewing point. From the parking area next to Preikestolen Mountain Lodge, it takes about 2 hours to hike along a well-marked prepared trail to the top. There is a deep fissure between Preikestolen and the mountain itself, but experts assure us it is completely safe. However, according to an old legend, if 7 brothers marry 7 sisters of the Lysefjord, the Pulpit rock will collapse into the fjord. Claimed to be the world's biggest musical ensemble, having performed a concert right on the outer edge of the plateau.
Häng gärna fasten. The views are best from deck. Spend the time during mid-journey to view the most scenic part of the tour from the upper deck. Always be prepared for bad weather. When you go on a cruise, make sure to bring umbrellas and raincoats to avoid surprises. Now let us enjoy the rest of the cruise back to Stavanger port. Thank you for watching till the end. Please like and subscribe.